In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in CapCut PC while editing. If you need to bring in a still image, a logo graphic, or even a screenshot overlay while you're already in the middle of your edit, CapCut makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to import the photo, place it over your video, and then adjust it so it looks clean and intentional on screen. To get started, the first thing you want to do is load your photo into the editing workspace. Move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the Media tab. Once you're there, make sure the local section just underneath it is selected, since that's where you'll import files from your computer. After that, click the large white Import button with the plus icon. This will open your system's file browser. From there, locate the photo you want to use, select it, and click Open. As soon as you do that, the image will appear in your media library ready to use in your project. Now that the photo is in your library, it's time to place it onto the timeline. Find the image thumbnail in the asset grid, then click and hold it. Drag it down into the timeline area and drop it onto track 2, directly above your main video track. Placing it on the track above your footage makes it appear as an overlay. Once you drop it in, look at the preview window and you should immediately see the photo showing over your video at the position of the playhead. That's a helpful detail because wherever the playhead is resting is where you'll preview the image placement. Next, let's adjust the size and position so the photo fits naturally into the frame. Click once on the photo clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Then move up to the preview monitor in the center of the screen. You'll see a bounding box around the image with blue corner handles. Click and drag one of those corner handles inward to scale the image down evenly. Using the corner handles helps keep the image proportional, which is useful if you want it to stay looking natural and not stretched. Once the size looks right, click inside the image box and drag it into a corner of the screen. This is a great way to keep the photo visible while making sure it doesn't cover important content in your main video. And that's it. You've gone from the media panel to importing from local storage, to placing the image on an overlay track, and finally resizing and positioning it exactly where you want it. With just a few quick moves, your photo is added and ready to support your edit.